Okay. Ano tayo? Konting vlog tayo, no? With Krisha's Kitchen. So, medyo iba yung format ng vlog natin ngayon kasi natikman ko na lahat, no? Yung kanilang mga produkto. And isa-isayin natin yan next time. But for now, no? Ito munang saktuhin natin yung Happy New Year. So, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. No, I'm not sure kung anong date ko may poposto. Basta Happy New Year, no? Nung inano ko to, nung binidyo ko. So, marami sa atin, marami sa inyo, no? Malamang sa alamang, may New Year's resolution na paulit-ulit, taon-taon na lang New Year's resolution nyo yun. Di ba, Benedict? Paulit-ulit na New Year's resolutions nyo. Papayat na ako. 10 taon nyo na sinasabi. So, etong mga produkto na pinadala ni Krisha's Kitchen, makakatulong sa New Year's resolution nyo, no? Of course, obviously, if you want to do LCIF, no, mas maigi kung strict nyong gagawin ang LCIF. But, if you cannot do it strictly, if hindi nyo kayang gawin strictly, kayo yung tipo ng tao na, ba't ba? Masarap meron dessert masarap merong rice Basta meron kang pera, go! Okay na okay. And that being said, eto na, no? Kapag ka gusto nyo ng quote-unquote rice habang kumakain ng, at the moment, beef steak ang kinakain namin o kung anumang ulam na low carb, eto, no? Pwede nyong bilhin, kainin, no? Itong dry shirataki rice ng Krisha's Kitchen. So, itong isang ganto, may 5 ganto. Okay? Isang ganto, may 5 ganto sa loob. And again, no, just to be clear, no? Hindi to zero carb. No, hindi to zero carb. As a matter of fact, hindi nga to low carb tong produkto na to per se. Hindi to low carb as a product. But if you know what you're doing, no, as a part of a low carb meal, kabuuan, this can become a part of a low carb meal. Okay? So, yung entirety ng pagkain, ng kinakain, yung meal mo, this can be a part of a low-carb meal. Not necessarily low-carb tong produkto na to, but as a whole, it can be part of a low-carb meal. So, masarap siya, para siyang rice talaga. Okay? Para siyang rice talaga. Now, after mong kumain, merong rice, syempre, merong ulam, no? Nag-inom-inom ka na rin dyan ng lower carb soft drinks. Gusto mo na ang quote-unquote panghimagas. Siyempre, gusto mong mag-dessert dahil hindi ikaw yung tipo ng tao na gusto ko masarap Masarap ang aking quote-unquote diet. Oh, ito. Meron din na hindi na nababasa na nakalagay na Happy New Year. Itong si Krisha's Kitchen, no? Meron din siyang, ito yung parang elsified version ng dream cake, no? Yung sikat na dream cake sa high carb, para siyang elsified version. So ito, meron kang cake, no? Kung gusto mong mag-cake, kung gusto mong mag-dessert, this is something that you could consume. Now, as compared dito, this one is a low-carb food. This one, it's not low-carb. This is actually high-carb. Okay? This is actually high-carb. Pero as a part of a low-carb meal, it becomes low-carb. Dahil nga, parte siya ng low-carb meal. Ito, however, kahit hindi parte ng low-carb meal, low-carb siya on its own. Okay? Dahil high-fat, high-protein ito. Okay? But of course, syempre, dahil nga kasama siya, dry shirataki rice ka, nag-beef steak ka, and then this one, and then the lower carb soft drinks, roughly around, kung kukumputin ko, tingin ko, yung kinain mo, sa beef steak na meron kami ngayon na nasa harap ko, roughly around 20 maximum yung makakain mo. Yun na yun. So, pasok pa rin kung 20 grams yung low carb mo. Okay? So, again, if you want to make it easier yung iyong 2025 New Year's resolution na pumayat, maging sexy, okay? These are food products from Krisha's Kitchen that you can try and baka mapadali ang New Year's resolution nyo. Okay?